Hello, the United Eagles. How are you doing today? I hope you had a nice weekend. We are starting our lesson on Prevocational Studies. The topic is advantages and disadvantages of cooking methods. In bracket, we have boiling method, stewing method, and the steaming method. There are some benefits we get in cooking foods with correct methods. Each method has its advantages and disadvantages. It is important to know the advantages and disadvantages of each method. This helps us in cooking and serving balanced meals. 1. Advantages and disadvantages of boiling method. We know that boiling method is cooking by boiling, putting water inside the pot and cook. Then advantages of it is this. 1. It is simple and quick. 2. It does not require constant attention. You just start cooking, you wait for some time. After some time, you go and check. You can't give constant attention to it. 3. Boiled foods are easy to digest because boiling of it makes it to be soft, so they are easy to digest. 4. They are suitable for healthy and sick people. Do you understand it? Okay. Then disadvantages of it. You know that anything that has advantage has disadvantage. Disadvantages of boiling method. A. Food nutrients such as vitamin C and the B minerals are lost in the boiling water. B. Boiled food does not look attractive. So some boiled food don't look attractive. And C. They are not tasty. Then, advantages and disadvantages of steaming method. This is the food we cook by steaming. The advantages are 1. Steamed foods are easy to digest. 2. No food nutrients is lost. 3. Steamed foods are suitable for children and the sick people. And 4. It brings out the flavor of the food. Then disadvantages of steaming methods. It takes a long time. 2. It consumes a lot of cooking gas, kerosene or firewood. 3. Only very few foods or very few types of food can be steamed. You can steam all the foods. You can steam yam, you can steam rice and eat. So very few like vegetable and others can be steamed. That is the disadvantages of it. Then advantages and the disadvantages of stewing method. That one is by making stew. You know stew, we used to eat rice and yam. So advantages of it are A. Food nutrients are retained in the stew. So the food nutrients are retained in the stew liquid. Everything we use to cook it retained inside there. B. Stewing foods are easily digested. 3. It saves gas, kerosene, and the firewood. D. Food nutrients are retained. They are retained. Then disadvantages of it. As we usually say that anything that has advantage has disadvantage. It takes a long time. For you to cook stew, it takes a long time to prepare it. Vitamin C is destroyed because of long cooking. Like the vegetable you add it, onion, and other things, they are destroyed inside the stew because of long cooking. Then 3, it requires attention to avoid burning. If you are making stew, you will not leave it, otherwise it will burn. By the time you come back, the pot will be like charcoal, so it will burn, easily burn. So because of that, it requires attention. All these are the advantages and disadvantages of these three methods of cooking we treated today. Do you have any question? Do you have? Okay, if you have, you ask. If you didn't have, I will ask my own. Can you give me 2 examples of boiling methods of cooking? 2 examples of our disadvantage. Okay. 2 advantages of boiling method is that chicken. Good. It is simple to cook and very quick. Yes, and it does not require constant attention. Very good. 2 advantages of steaming method. 2 advantages of steaming method. The food are easy to digest. And no food nutrients is lost. Very nice. Then number 3 question. Out of the 3 methods of cooking treated here, which one is the best? Which one is the best? In your own opinion, which one is the best? Is it the boiling? Is it the steaming? Is it the stewing? Okay, choice is yours. You can say it is boiling. The other person can say it is stewing. The other one can say steaming. Very nice. What about the disadvantages of boiling method? The food nutrients are lost. That's fine. Can you cook by steaming? Okay. Can you tell me the kind of food you can cook by steaming? Good. Moi moi. Moi moi can be cooked by steaming. Bambara no, that is the one we call opa. Can be cooked by steaming. Is it by steaming or boil? Okay, both can serve, and they take a lot of time. They waste a lot of time. That is disadvantage. All right. Have a nice day and stay safe. Miss Cordelia is still missing you. Bye.